how to delete a pin on Pinterest. So once we go to our profile page, by doing that, you're going to click on the bottom right hand of the screen and go to our personal page. And if we have something that is in a board that we want to delete, it is very easy to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and let's say click on this board. So if I want to delete one of these pins, what I can do is press and hold on the image I want to delete or the pin. I'm going to go to the third little bubble where it says edit and it'll have a pencil. Click on that and then you can see on the middle of the screen it says delete this pin. Click on that. It'll then make sure that I want to delete it. We'll click delete and now this pin will be deleted from my Pinterest board.